Thank you very much. So we're up for questions at this point. Mr. Bradbury, you had your hands up, please. Do you need your microphone?
My name is Paul Bradbury from Total Croatia News, and I feel a bit embarrassed being here because I had to get one of my interns to download the Viber application to my desktop when we created the travel community thing recently. Thank you, Sweden and Israel. Fantastic. I mean, really, really interesting. And I've learned a lot myself. My questions to the State Secretary is what percentage of is R&D does Croatia invest?
So we heard the percentages from the other countries. We haven't heard from Croatia.
Yeah, is my first question. My second question is, does Croatia have a great video like this? If so, where can we see it? If not, why not? And my third,
excuse me, I didn't...
Does Croatia have a great video like we saw here? If not, why not? And if yes, where can we see it? And where can I see, I want to learn about AI and what Croatia is doing. What are the official digital tools I can do to see what Croatia is doing? Thank you.
I didn't understand the last one.
So much about technology.
I've learned to turn it over and it stops. I would like to learn about Croatia's official AI strategy, what it's doing, what its success is. Which online digital tools do you have? Where do I go and find out what you're doing? Like a progress report and everything.
So like we saw from AI and Sweden. Video,
Okay, just one question. Who are you exactly? I didn't...
Paul Bradbury from Total Croatia News.
Which news?
Total Croatia News is the name of the portal. It's an English-speaking
this is media,
portal.
so it's a journalist, actually.
It's yes.
Okay.
Yes. So the question is pretty simple. So what percentage of GDP does Croatia invest
I'm
in
just
innovation?
I didn't understand
Yeah.
correctly.
It's the British accent that's getting to me.
After the Brexit, I don't understand it well.
It's a British accent which has been contaminated with some Dalmatian accent to it, and I don't know where he's... Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you for your question. Yeah. Regarding the percentage, statistic value for, I think, for 2019 is 0.97.
Okay.
I think this is the right figure.
Just about, under 1%.
I think, slightly under 1%. Yeah.
Okay.
The goal for until end of 2020 is 1.4 at least. And we are pretty much sure that we will manage it, at least 1.4, even more, regarding the latest developments and the investment. And midterm goal, and this would be settled for the 23 or 24, is to reach up the average of the EU, which is now on the 2.4, I think, or 2.2, something like it.
Okay.
And up to 230, this is the part of national, it's 3.30. So this is the until the 2030. This is the part of our national strategy, which is 2030 actually. Yeah.
Okay.
This is first part. Yeah.
Yes.
We have some of videos, but not that efficient, which should be actually comparable to this one. So I believe, honestly, there was a plan and there is a budget to create the promotional campaign for the Croatia Innovation Network, but this was stopped due to the COVID situation, and this should continue, I think, now after the summer, after the new or existing team take over the
So there are plans, for example, like
yes, of course,
AI in Sweden as a website, and there you see all the legislative.
And what was the last one?
Where does somebody from abroad that is interested in doing AI or any sort of innovation in Croatia, as maybe as a digital nomad, maybe as somebody who would like to live in Croatia, because as we just heard, it's a beautiful country, and you'd like to be here rather than in rainy Manchester or whatever.
Well, it was also about the AI strategy. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not called strategy officially, but it's a strategic document which is called National Plan for AI Development. And as I mentioned, this should be published for the public discussion within 1 month, actually.
I'm a journalist. I want to do a story today. I want to find out everything there is to know officially about Croatia's government
No, there is no website. Sorry.
Yeah. So it's investcroatia.com? .gov.hr. Okay, so at Invest, so Paul, you can take a look there, see what you can find there. And I'm pretty sure that once the strategy, which we don't call the strategy, but it is a strategy, is published.
No, I was just focusing on the AI plan, actually. This is not the public information yet. There is a working group which is working on it, and this should be published, as I said, within 1 month in a public consultation. But as for the innovation system, one page is Invest Croatia, Invest in Croatia, and the other side is Kronis, Croatian Innovation System. I can send you a link if you like. There is a something. There is a lot of information about the innovation system and the activities there.
Cool, cool.
Just a second. You need a microphone because there's a Facebook. You know.
Okay, sorry, John. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Very kind of you.
So let's say I'm a journalist now and I want to do a story on 10 countries and their AI successes and resources, where to go. What I would do with Israel, I've got that amazing video, and I'm sure you've got a massive website.
There's another one coming.
Yes, yes.
And the same with Sweden. And, and then I go to 7 or 8 other countries, and then I come to Croatia. What is it that I'm going to be presenting? What information? So you've got this Invest. You don't have a video. You don't have anything.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's not like that. We don't have anything. We don't have a video about AI in this matter. But if you ask me the concrete questions, and we can make an interview or whatever, and I can give you all the information you need. Yeah. Also, my colleague there from the investment side as well.
Okay, great.
Okay, maybe I can also jump in.
Yeah.
It's not exact the topic. It's a more general topic.
Yeah, it's about.